So to start things off here, I got my lever closed. I'm using the middle part of my ear as a reference, so I know how low I need to go on both sides. So that's a really good little trick there. Use different parts on your head as reference points. So your ears, your eyes, your lips. That way you can make sure that everything's symmetrical on both sides. So as you saw, I used the lever closed, and I went about halfway down my ear, and then I opened the lever up, and I went to the bottom of my ear. So now I got my number one guard. Sorry, not yet. Now I got my number one guard. I got the lever open, and I'm going down about a finger's width right below my ear. And then I'm going to close the lever up and come in right behind where I just came in with the one open. So now I got my number two guard on. I got the lever open, going down about an inch below where I came in with the one open. Now I'm closing the lever up and coming in just a little bit higher than where I came in with the two open. Now I'm going with the grain and just trying to blend everything in to the bulk of my beard. It's a good little trick for blending into the bulk. You want to go with the grain. So now I got my trimmers. I'm just balding out the very top of the beard fade, and now I'm lining up everything underneath. If you saw my previous beard lineup video, I like to keep my beard lines pretty low. I think the lower you keep them, the more full it's going to look. So as a general rule of thumb, I like to usually have my beard lines go about a finger's width below my cheekbone. So now I'm coming in, lining everything up with the straight razor. You can see I'm really stretching that skin. That's really important if you're going to use a straight razor. Make sure you're stretching the skin as much as possible. It's really just going to flatten out those curved areas, and it's just going to help the razor to glide a lot easier. And some of you may have already seen this video or saw that I uploaded it already. I had some audio difficulties the first time around, so I had to delete the video and kind of go back and redo everything. So that's why I'm uploading it again. But here I'm coming in with the shaver, and I'm using that shaver to go over pretty much my entire beard. I'm going downward, kind of not digging in, just gliding it over the edges of my beard. And when you have a long beard, the shaver isn't going to cut any length out of the beard. It's just going to hit any stragglers that might be sticking out. So that's a really good tip. But here's the end result. I hope you guys learned something from the video. As always, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one.